we are trying to sell the house. And actually, the realtor was saying, "Do you realize, there's a little slope?" No. And so that's when we thought, well, let's go ahead and get somebody out here to check it out. And we really didn't realize how bad it was until Jacob came out and told us. And it was a big surprise. I actually went through 4 different foundation, and Baird just seemed to be understanding of my situation. Um, Information wise, uh, the price is expensive, but it, I just felt comfortable. Um, I didn't feel like they were trying to take advantage of me. And I felt family and understanding that they took care of me. Awesome. He came and told me exactly what he was doing and how long it was going to take. And, I asked him questions and he was able to answer me, to kind of let me know exactly what you guys do, how it gets fixed, and just the whole 9 yards. The crew was awesome. They kept me up to date on everything, what they were doing. We ran into a little snafu in regards to plumbing issues, and I was able to talk with them, and they were able to put the work on hold until we got the insurance company to come out and do their investigation. And as soon as that was taken care of, called Shelby and they got him back out there. Overall, they've been awesome. Again, we ran into a couple snafus just with insurance, and they have been awesome taking care of us. And any questions that I have, I've been able to call, and they've been right on it and taking care of me.